First of all, take a look at this amazing desktop preview. It looks super clean, stylish, and futuristic. Just look at those widgets, the clock, and the transparent taskbar. Everything blends perfectly. This design gives your Windows desktop a whole new modern vibe that looks just like something out of a professional setup video. We've worked really hard to bring this setup together for you, so please show your support. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. All right, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. Step 1. Download all required files. All download links are given in the description below, so you don't need to search anywhere else. First, open the website called ScreenStyler for Windows. Once you're there, click on the button that says Download Beta 2.0. A new page will open. Again, simply click on Download and wait for it to finish. Next, we'll grab the Monstercat Visualizer. Open the link, scroll down the page, and download the first file named Monstercat. This is the one we'll use later in Rainmeter to create that cool music visualizer effect on your desktop. Then, head to the next link in the description and download the Summer Night Live Wallpaper. It's a beautiful animated wallpaper that gives your desktop a peaceful, futuristic look. And it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to download. Now, download Translucent TB from its official site or directly from the Microsoft Store. This tool helps make your taskbar fully transparent and stylish. After that, go to the Microsoft Store again and search for Lively Wallpaper. Download it. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once all the files are downloaded, make sure to save them together in a single folder so everything stays organized. Step 2. Install and set up everything. Now open your Downloads folder and start installing all the tools one by one. First, install Monstercat Visualizer. Just follow the instructions that appear on your screen. Next, install ScreenStyler. Double-click the setup file, click Next a few times, and it will install automatically. Once done, open Rainmeter. If you already have it installed, perfect. Unload any default widgets or skins that you don't want. We'll be adding our own custom ones later. Step 3. Apply the live wallpaper. Now let's set up your live wallpaper. Open Lively Wallpaper, click the plus button, and browse to the Summer Night Wallpaper file that you just downloaded. Import it, then select it to apply, and boom! Your desktop instantly comes alive with beautiful motion and lighting effects. Step 4. Make the taskbar transparent. Next, we'll make your taskbar look sleek and transparent. Go to Settings, System, and if you see an option for Taskbar Theme, enable transparency. If that option isn't available, no problem. Just open Translucent TB, and your taskbar will automatically turn transparent. It looks super clean and gives your desktop a minimal premium touch. Step 5. Customize with ScreenStyler. Now open ScreenStyler. The first thing you'll see is a text box. Here, write your brand name or YouTube channel name, then click on Let's Go. Your desktop preview will appear with several customization options. Choose your favorite wallpaper style. Oh wow, that looks incredible. This is where the fun begins. You can now customize your desktop widgets, apps, and icons exactly the way you want. On the left side, click on Apps and start adding your most used applications. For example, Google Chrome, Steam, VLC, Rockstar Launcher, or anything else you frequently use. Then go to Widgets, Grid Widgets, and expand it. From here, you can add widgets like a clock, music visualizer, CPU monitor, weather widget, and more. Arrange them neatly on your screen to match your personal style. Step 6. Adjust settings in Rainmeter once all the widgets are placed. Go to Settings inside ScreenStyler and enable the option Start with Rainmeter. This ensures your setup automatically loads every time you start your PC. You can also change the time format, adjust refresh rates, or tweak other small details according to your preference. When everything looks good, click the green tick to save your changes. Now install the Monstercat Visualizer skin in Rainmeter. This will add that awesome real-time music visualizer effect that reacts to your system's sound. It looks stunning when paired with your live wallpaper. Step 7. Add clock and final touches. In my previous video, I showed how to add a stylish clock widget in Rainmeter. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. Now I'll quickly load the clock skin again and position it perfectly on the desktop. Arrange all your widgets nicely. Make sure nothing overlaps and everything looks clean and balanced. Final look, and there you go. Friends, our final desktop setup is ready. It looks modern, elegant, and absolutely stunning. The combination of live wallpaper, transparent taskbar, custom widgets, and Monstercat Visualizer gives your windows a completely new look. We upload new videos every Sunday, so make sure to stay tuned for more amazing customization and AI tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps and motivates us to bring even better content for you. Thanks for watching, friends, and I'll see you in the next video.